The question is 0 to pi x tan x dx upon secant x plus tan x number 1. No. 0 to pi minus x tan pi minus x secant pi minus x plus tan pi minus x dx. Integration of 0 to a fx dx is equal to integration of 0 to a fa minus x dx. Using this property we have written this part. Now this becomes 0 to pi minus x minus tan x upon minus secant x plus minus tan x dx, and this becomes 0 to pi minus x tan x upon secant x plus tan x dx. Number 2. Adding 1 and 2, 2y is equal to 0 to pi x tan x plus pi minus x tan x dx upon secant x plus tan x. Okay. Now this becomes 2y is equal to pi 0 to pi tan x upon secant x plus tan x. Now to this what we can write it? Pi 0 to pi. Now tan x is sin x upon cos x, 1 upon cos x and sin x upon cos x. So we are having sin x upon 1 plus sin x dx. Okay. Now 2y is equal to pi 0 to pi 1 plus sin x minus 1 upon 1 plus sin x dx to this part. Okay. Now what it becomes? 2y is equal to pi 0 to pi 1 plus sin x upon 1 plus sin x dx minus pi 0 to pi 1 upon 1 plus sin x dx. Okay. Integration of 0 to pi dx minus pi 0 to pi. Now rationalization for this term, 1 minus sin x upon 1 minus sin square x dx. Pi with x 0 to pi minus pi 0 to pi 1 minus sin x upon cos square x dx. Okay, now just for your small recap, I can write it 1 plus sin x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x upon 1 minus sin x. Okay, this part. Now this becomes pi square minus pi 0 to pi 1 upon cos square x dx plus pi 0 to pi sin x upon cos square x dx. Pi square minus pi 0 to pi secant square x dx plus pi 0 to pi sin x upon cos x tan x secant x dx. Now this becomes pi square minus pi tan x with 0 to pi plus pi secant x with 0 to pi. Okay, so it is pi square minus pi tan pi minus tan 0 plus pi secant pi minus secant 0. Pi square minus pi with 0 minus 0 plus pi with minus 1 minus 1. So we are left with pi square minus 2 pi. Okay. Now 2i is equal to pi square minus 2 pi, I is equal to pi square upon 2 minus pi, and this is answer.